Top 5 ways to make money online in 2021. Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. I'm Chris as always, and today I'm going to give you an amazing New Year gift on 5 ways to make money online in 2021. But before doing anything, thanks for choosing me, and thanks for letting me share you all these useful concepts that can help you to change your life. Working online is the most easy and relevant job many people find interesting and highly paying. It is fun to sit on your computer or your phone and earn more than $1,000 without moving from home. Here are the ways you can achieve those dreams, and I'm counting from the 5th down to the first one. The 5th way to make money is by Forex Trading. Forex trading involves buying and selling the current pairs. At the time of selling, you earn a lot of money from the pips earned while selling one currency to another. The terms here are so technical, but you can make your own research on this business in order to have all the clear information on how you can start as a Forex trader. The 4th way is the freelancing job. Freelancing involves putting your abilities on a platform and the cost you charge for a service, and the customer can come and hire you to do his or her own job remotely without moving from your place. And popular websites like Fiverr.com provide those services where you can go and make an account, build your portfolio, and in return customers come to hire you, and bam, you get a lot of cash in no time. The 3rd way is the drop servicing. Drop servicing acts a bit like freelancing, but it's not. Drop servicing involves the act of a middleman. A middleman will work as an intermediary between a customer and a service provider, which means you can be a middleman and connect a customer to the service providers, and you can in return make money on each service delivered. In this business model, you don't have to do things by yourself like in freelancing. Instead, you need to work like 3 or 4 hours a week. The 2nd way is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves recommending certain products to customers when you are working an online video, a webinar, or your website. For example, I can put the links of the gear I use in the description of the video, like microphone, camera, computer, lights, and so on. In this case, the top online selling websites like Amazon, eBay, and Alibaba, and many others, can give me a certain percentage on the products bought from the links I provided. The first and popular way is making a YouTube channel. YouTube have from the beginning till now offered money to creators like me on their videos. The revenue can come from YouTube ads or YouTube premium accounts. It is not easy at all, but it is still possible to earn a big amount of money on YouTube platform in 2021. All it requires is patience, creativity, and competitive now to bring your contents on the front line. Other methods like search engine optimization help the creators to easily be discovered on YouTube. That was it for today. I hope among all the 5 you find the one that you are comfortable of doing, and don't get afraid to start. If you enjoyed this video, don't go without leaving a like, and if you are not yet subscribed, you can subscribe now. It's free and you will get my future videos on time. Stay cool and be millionaires in 2020.